pool. Roger that.
Aw, man. We can't get it past those rocks.
The only way to get the tree out, Bo, is to lift it up. But I don't know how we can do that.
We can't, but Halo could.
Bo, Halo's the only one who can pull that tree off you. So we have to wait for him to rescue you. I hope he gets here soon.
Yeah, about Halo. He's not coming. Because I never called him.
Why not?
Because Halo comes up with great plans. He's great at high-up rescues. He does everything I do but better, and I didn't want him to take my place.
Take your place? Bo, no one can replace you. You're our leader. And you're the best leader.
Really?
Totally.
Yeah, man, come on.
How else will we know when it's time to roll?